My name is Engineer Alicia Escasa. I'm a civil engineer and batch 2023. Being a scholar here in FEU Alabang allowed me to do projects with other scholars, use your critical thinking skills, analyzation. Most of my friends are in scholars, and they also helped me to boost myself as a scholar. First, yung pagiging manageable sa time, a positive mindset lagi, and part talaga ang pressure sa pagiging scholar. The projects and activities they have provided throughout my college years had made me handle myself with pressure and stress and to work diligently before examinations po. I stay motivated and keep myself to work hard because I always put my mind why I'm doing this because of my family, my relatives. Without them, I won't be here studying and pursue my career. At the end of the day, I always say to myself that I want to give back everything they have sacrificed for me. Of course, the time I was announced as a licensed civil engineer, seeing my family have their smiles on their faces is the most satisfying and fulfilling thing to see, and hearing their pure happiness and congratulations from my family and relatives was one of the rewarding things that I have received in passing this board exam. Preparing for the board exam is a big burden. I would say that's a big feat to go through, pero it is normal to sometimes na mag-breakdown due to pressure and everything, because that is part and that would keep you going. Just continue what you're doing, believe in yourself, and always offer a prayer to God, kasi that is what I always do. More confidence to myself na at the end, kaya ko to. Makakuha ko din siya.